everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica and today I have my update for Partners in Cream. This was created by Steph Lyons and Delyn. They are going to be listed down below along with everyone else that has joined into this project. If you would like to join into this project, it's not too late. Of course you can join in, and it is all about cream products. I want to say this is year number 3. I've done all of the years, and I will continue to do this project for as long as it is in existence because I love it. And I have acquired more and more cream products over the years, and I need to be reminded to use them because they go bad faster. So a little bit of the details. This started on January 10th. It will go to December 10th. It's basically 11 months. You get a month off to do whatever you want to do, play with whatever you want to play with, and then basically it starts back up. I'm pretty sure it's going to be coming back next year. I would be shocked if it doesn't, but you never know. We'll find out towards the end of the year. All right, so I started mine with 5 products. I still have no empties, but I do have some progress on a few things. Let's get the ones with no progress out of the way first. This is Mally's Look by Mally, and I had used it in the first month, but I have not had it in a makeup basket since. I have month-long makeup baskets, and this just has not made the cut as far as my polls. I'm hoping that it will be in next month, and if I finish the one that I'm working on for this basket, I might throw it in and get a little bit of usage on it, but for right now, it's on the back burner. This next one I actually have used. It is in my current basket, but it's not an easy color to use. I think I've only used it 5 times since the last update. This is Bite Beauty Maple. That's what she looks like. It is a difficult color to wear for me on the daily, and I'm already working on a buxom lip pencil. It's kind of like a cross between a lip pencil and a lipstick, and it's what I have on as my base, and then I have a couple of things over it. So it is super dark. It's even darker than this. So I'm kind of splitting time. So the red is where I was last time. I am just at the bottom of that line now. I'm hoping to have some progress for you by the next update. It is what it is. Let's see. The e.l.f. Smudge Pot in Cruisin' Chic. I've only used this a couple of times, and yeah, there's no visible or weight progress on that one. The Bobbi Brown Long Wear Cream Shadow Stick in the color Shore. I do have this in this month's basket, but it was not in last month's basket. So not a ton of usage since the last update, but I was at the top of this line last time. Now I'm at the bottom. This is going to get used almost daily from here until the end of the month. So I am sure by the next update, I'm going to have some decent usage on that one for you. All right, and the one that I actually have the most amazing progress on, and I do think it's going to be an empty by the next update. This is the, I have to look on my spreadsheet because it's not big enough to tell you what the name is. I don't even have the full name. It's Urban Decay 24/7. I think it's the Velvet Glide On Liner or something like that in black velvet. That is all that is left of it. It is tiny, and you can see my progress lines here. It's tiny. I definitely think it is going to be done by the next update because it is getting to the point where it is really hard to grip onto it and sharpen. I've heard from other people that when you get to that point and you have to just do the silver part, it starts to strip away and just kind of spin, so you can't get a good grip on it. So I have a feeling this is definitely going to be done. I do like my black eyeliner, and then I set it with a different color if I don't feel like wearing black that day. Like today I have blue on, and I have black pencil liner, and then I have a blue eyeshadow to set it. That's what I'm trying to say. So I do use black frequently because I own them. I shouldn't have so many, but I want to get through them. So this is one that I know is going to be done very, very soon. If this is done next update, then I will bring in something else in its place. But as of right now, I'm just going to keep going with these 5. Like I said, probably an empty by next update, and hopefully some good progress on the Bobbi Brown eyeshadow stick. So not the most exciting update, but cream products for me take a while, and it's just slow going. So I'm just going to keep plugging away at it, and I am not bringing in things for usage this year because I want to get some stuff done. I have my Child of the 80s project pan for my usage, everything else, just to get her done. So that is my update, short and sweet. Definitely go check out Steph. I don't think Delyn is doing it this year because she just had a little baby girl not too long ago, and I don't think she is really doing any updates or anything like that because she got mom life going on right now, which I can completely understand. Being a mom of 3, she needs to have her time with her girl. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.